Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dream11 game easy method. Open the Dream11 app, pick a sport and match, then focus on player roles and formation. Choose a captain with high scoring potential and a vice captain to hedge risk. Monitor player injuries and whether to adjust your lineup before lock time. Enter contests that match your skill level and bankroll to build steady wins over time. Start by analyzing recent matches and player roles to build a coherent team. Allocate credits to secure at least 3 reliable core players and 2 smart differentials. Consider pitch conditions and opponent strengths to choose bowlers or batters accordingly. Keep an eye on last-minute changes and adjust your lineups before lock time. Practice with smaller entry fees to refine strategy without risking your main bankroll. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is leak-proof and keeps water cold for hours, perfect for long drafting sessions or watching matches live. It's easy to carry and helps you stay focused while making picks. Check the description for the link and other deals and grab one if you want. Now let's get back to the video. Choose contests that fit your risk appetite and skill level to manage variance. For steady growth, favor small contests and occasional guaranteed prize pools with careful bankroll allocation. Multi-entry can amplify returns, but requires distinct lineups to avoid overlap. Keep records of results to learn which strategies work best for specific formats. Stay disciplined with entry limits to prevent emotional overbetting after wins or losses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.